ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್. ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ SDA ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದು ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದು ವರ್ಷನ್ ಎ, SDA GK ಪೇಪರ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ were born in debt, lived in debt and died in debt due to the following land tax policy of the British. So right answer is option 2, Mahalwari system. Next question, during the Mauryan period, who had built Sudarshan Sarovar? Right answer is option 4, Pushyagupta. Next question, which of the following language became court language during the Kadambas' reign? Right answer is option 1, Kannada and Sanskrit. Next question, fifth question, match the following with organizations and the founders of the society. So idike guys, right answer irodu option 3, C and D only. So Gokal Krishna Gokhale founded Servants of India Society and N.M. Joshi founded the Social Service League. Next question guys, match the following the Buddhist councils with the king. So right answer irodu option 4. Next question, who was the philosophical guru of Shivaji? Right answer is Dadaji Kodandadev. Next question, which treaty ended the Battle of Buxar? Right answer is option D, Allahabad Treaty. Next question, which Governor General introduced Indian civil services in India? Right answer is option 2, Lord Cornwallis. Next question, who published an English newspaper, Prabuddha Bharata? Right answer is option 4, Swami Vivekananda. Next, the year of Mahad Satyagraha under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was dash. Right answer is option 1, 1927. Next question, who wrote Hind Swaraj book? Right answer is option 3, Mahatma Gandhi ji. 14th question, who was the author of Talagunda inscription? Right answer is option 2, Kubja Kavi. 15th one, who was the last Chalukya ruler? Right answer is option 1, Kirtivarma II. 16th one, what was the year when Gol Gumbaz of Bijapur built? So right answer is option D, none of the above. So actual date irudu guys from 1626 to 1656. So idralli aa option illa, so hagagbittu none of the above. Next question, which of the following era was called as golden age of Jain literature in the history of Karnataka? Right answer is option 1, Rashtrakutas. Next, the word socialist was inserted into the preamble of constitution through which of the following act? Right answer is option 2, 42nd Amendment Act. Next question, who among the following Asian American elected as first woman vice president of America? Right answer is Kamala Harris. Next question, first Kisan Rail was started between which of the following states? Right answer is option 2, Maharashtra and Bihar. Next question, which of the following district selected as pilot project to use EVM in 2021 Karnataka Grama Panchayata election? Right answer is option 2, Bidar. But friends, 2015 ನಲ್ಲಿ first time EVM as a pilot project was used in Bidar district. Next question, which state of India has decided to establish 3 capitals? Right answer is option 2, Andhra Pradesh. Next question, how many taluks are added to newly formed Vijayanagara district of Karnataka? Right answer is option 2, 6 taluks. Next, which state has recently adopted a new logo for its legislature assembly which consists of foxtail orchid? Right answer is option 1, Arunachal Pradesh. Next question guys, match the following. So 25th question ge right answer irodu guys option 2. Next, 27th question, 4 time P athwa PPPP stands for dash. So right answer is option 4, Public Private People Partnership. Next question, Human Development Index is the aggregate measure of development progress in dash dimensions. Right answer is option 1, 3 dimensions. Next question, consider the following places of Karnataka: Molkalmuru, Gangavati, Karwar and Mysore. Which of the above are famous for production of traditional sarees or fabric? Right answer is option 3, A and D only, Mysore silk saree and Molkalmur sarees. Next question, 29, Mudra stands for dash. Right answer is option 3, Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency Bank. Next question, what is cash reserve ratio, CRR? Right answer is option 2, share of commercial banks total deposit kept with RBI? Next question, Indian GST Council is headed by dash. Right answer is option C, Finance Minister. Next question, Atmanirbhar Bharat 3.0 package was announced on dash. Right answer is option 3, 12th November 2020. Next question, who published the report titled India and the Knowledge Economy, Leveraging Strengths and Opportunities? Right answer is option C, World Bank. Next question, which of the following is the first country to get COVID vaccines from India? Right answer is option C, Bhutan. Next question, expand MPCE. Right answer is option D, none of the above. MPCE the full form guys, monthly per capita expenditure. Next question, Avlokana software was launched on dash. Right answer is option 1, 20th Jan 2021. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa launched Krishi Sanjeevani scheme on 9th January 2021, which is related to dash. Right answer is option C, to test soil, water and pest control measures. Next question, the Karnataka Jana Sevaka scheme is related to dash. Right answer is option 1, doorstep delivery of government services. Total literacy rate in Karnataka according to 2011 census is dash. Right answer is option 1, 75.36%. Consider the following statements with reference to Bangalore Tech Summit 2020. So idರಲ್ಲಿ guys, all options are correct. So right answer is option 4, all of the above. Next, 46. When we breathe in air, nitrogen also goes inside along with oxygen. What is the fate of nitrogen? Right answer is option 2. It comes out with CO2 during exhalation. Next, 49. Optical fiber works on the principle of dash. Right answer is option C, total internal reflection. Next, 50. When lift is going down with acceleration, the apparent weight of the body is dash. Right answer is option 1, less than the true weight. Next, 47. At the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit is dash. Right answer is option 3, increases heavily. Next question, washing machine works on the principle of dash. Right answer is option 3, centrifugation. Next, 51. Which of the following is not a chemical change? Right answer is option 3, addition of sugar to water. So addition of sugar to water is a physical change. It is not a chemical change. So right answer is option 3. Next, 52. Chlorophyll contains dash. Right answer is option 2, magnesium complex. Next, 55. Emission test in vehicles is done to measure quantity of dash gas emitted. Right answer is option 3, NO. Next question, which of the following radiations is used for the treatment of cancer? Right answer is option 2, gamma rays. Next, 56. In nuclear reactors, dash is used as moderators. Right answer is option 2, heavy water. Next, which of the following is responsible for Minamata disease caused due to water pollution? Right answer is option 3, compounds of mercury. Next, 57. Alum purifies muddy water by dash. Right answer is option 1, coagulation. 58. The acid found in soil is dash. Right answer is option D, humic acid. Next, 59. Penicillin, an antibiotic known as wonder drug which saved the lives of millions of wounded soldiers during Second World War, is produced by dash. Right answer is option 1, bacterium. Next question, from scientist, select the name of Indian ornithologist. Right answer is option C, Salim Ali. Next question, India owns a patent for dash. Right answer is option 3, both 1 and 2. Next question, which of the following is a master gland? Right answer is option 2, pituitary gland. Next question, oxygen is transported in blood mainly by dash. Right answer is option 2, erythrocytes. Next question, King Cobra Research Station in Karnataka is located at dash. Right answer is option 1, Agumbe. Next question, who got Bharat Ratna Award in 1963? Right answer is option 1, P.V. Kane. Next question, name the butterfly species which is adopted as Karnataka state butterfly. Right answer is option 4, southern birdwing. Next question, 69. Founder of Depressed Class League is dash. Right answer is option 2, Dr. Babu Jagjeevan Ram. Next, which of the following is mismatched? Right answer is option 4, KFDV, Cattles. Next question, who introduced postage stamps first time in India? Right answer is option D, Lord Dalhousie. Next question, which of the following is the first state to implement the e-cabinet? Right answer is option 2, Himachal Pradesh. Next, who is the longest serving chief minister of any Indian state? Right answer is option 1, Pawan Kumar Chamling. Which country is planning to host BRICS Game 2021? Right answer is option 3, India. Next 75, no person shall be prosecuted and punished for the same offence more than once. This provision of double jeopardy is spoken under which article of Indian Constitution? Right answer is option 1, Article 20. Next question, which country hosted 36th ASEAN Summit? Right answer is option 4, Vietnam. Next 76, whether a bill is a money bill or not, the decision of dash is final. Right answer is option 2, Speaker. Next question, who shall act as a chairman of Interstate Council constituted under Article 263 of Indian Constitution? Right answer is option 1, Prime Minister of India. Next 80, which is a constitutional body in the following? Right answer is option 3, KPSC. KPSC is a constitutional body. The word socialist and secular were added in the preamble to the constitution by dash. Right answer is option 1, 42nd Amendment. Next 81, central list, state list and concurrent list are defined in which schedule of Indian Constitution? Right answer is option 4, 7th schedule. 79, which article of the Constitution deals with procedure of amending the Constitution? Right answer is option 4, Article 368. Next question, the most effective means of citizens' control over administration is dash. Right answer is option 1, election. Next question, what is the minimum age to become governor of Indian state? Right answer is option 3, 35 years. Next question, first woman judge to be appointed to Supreme Court was dash. Right answer is option 3, M. Fatima Bibi. Next question, when was Karnataka High Court established? Right answer is option 2, 1884. Next, which of the following articles empowers the President to appoint the Prime Minister of India? Right answer is option 2, Article 75. Next question, 85, sovereignty in democracy resides in dash. Right answer is option 2, people. Next question, age of retirement of High Court judge is dash. Right answer is option 2, 62 years. Next 89, which of the following feature does not support the federal character of Indian Constitution? Right answer is option 4, single citizenship. Next question, barometer measures the atmospheric dash. Right answer is option 3, pressure. Next question, the length of coastline in Karnataka is dash. Right answer is option 1, 320 kilometers. Next, tropical forests are denser due to dash. Right answer is option 4, high temperature and high rainfall. Next question, which one of the pair is not correctly matched? Right answer is option D, World Population Day. So World Population Day is celebrated on 11th July. Next question, the city of Seven Hills is dash. Right answer is option 2, Rome. What is the width of Karnataka in east to west? Right answer is option 1, 400 kilometers. Next question, which of the following rivers crosses the equator 2 times? Right answer is option 1, Congo. Next, match the following crops and states. So idike guys right answer irodu option 4. So guys idagiತ್ತು SD exams probable key answers. ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೈಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಯಿಂದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಿಗೋಣ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ.